It's a diluted version of that, or what? Acha, okay.
Kinda have a feeling these are the same.
This one definitely for like a night out with the boys.
Party or concert wherein you want your perfume to, last longer. I think that's the perfect one for that occasion.
Today we are at the Indian Sneaker Festival where 21 Savage, Hanuman Kind are performing. It's a party atmosphere here and we have the two best party fragrances with us, Afnan 9 PM and JPG Ultra Male. And we are gonna find out which one is the better fragrance out of the two. Let's go and find out.
Hi, I'm Krishangi. I'm again wearing Burberry Goddess.
Can you smell the first one for us?
It has like a sweet undernote to it. A very like seductive touch, I would say. If you want to attract the girls,
Yes.
then it's something a man should wear. Whenever.
Whenever.
Whenever, yes. For
Every
sure.
day.
Yeah, every day.
For the second one.
This is slightly stronger, I would say. If you want to give like alpha, maybe. This one definitely for like a night out with the boys.
Night out.
Yeah.
With the boys.
Yeah, with the boys.
Not with the girls.
Not with the girls, with the boys.
You have to pick one, A or B.
A, for sure.
A,
yeah.
for a
I
man.
think A is also something I would wear.
Okay.
So-
Something you can share with a boyfriend or a
yeah.
man. Here with.
Suhana Sethi.
What perfume are you wearing?
Comfort Oud.
Smell this for me.
Very nice. I love it. It's very fresh, earthy, musk smell. But I think for a sneaker festival,
This one.
this is much more stronger than that. But I like it. I like this one more. I can smell an oud smell. Musky, woody. I think for a date.
Now, if you have to pick one, A or B?
This one.
B.
Yeah.
For a man.
Yeah.
I'm here with.
Khalid Waleed. The perfume that I'm wearing, it's Luned Noir Wood, and I've also applied some Diesel Red.
Smell this first for me.
It's kind of bubblegummy.
Yeah.
Kind of bubblegummy. I really like this one, yeah. This could be like a daily wear, also kind of being like a party wear if you want.
Okay.
I like this. I really like this one. This is actually pretty nice.
The second, give me the first one.
Kind of lemony, kind of boozy. I really like this, but that one is something I'd prefer more. I think this is perfect for daily wear. That I would is still also very versatile, but I would wear this more like something a bit more subtle, simple and stuff. Like maybe an event or something. But something like this could be like your daily wear. It's not too strong, but it hits the right notes.
So now the main question, A or B?
I'd go for A.
You go for A.
I'd go for A.
Okay. Hi, Kanish. You smell this first for us. How do you smell?
Fruity.
Fruity.
Fruity flower. Casual parties.
Casual party.
Yeah.
This is the second one.
Tobacco based. Smoky tobacco.
Date fragrance.
Yeah.
Proper date fragrance.
100%, definitely.
You have to pick one, A or B.
B.
B for yourself.
Yeah.
I'm here with.
Barichi. I'm a content producer. I have a content agency. We produce content for music artists in India and internationally. So I've worked with Karan, I've worked with Diljit Paji. I'm working with AP from a very long time. In hip hop, in EDM, I've worked with Snake. Like I recently covered Skrillex. We've done a lot of artists.
That's good.
We've been doing it for a very, very long time. Today I'm wearing LV Ombre Nomad. On the neck I'm wearing Rasasi Hawa.
Smell the first one for us.
This is sweet. People who are into running, who's sweating a lot, like in clubs or into field work. A sweet note, very candy. People who sweats a lot or who are into field work, like probably for them. I have used it, like once I've sprayed it. This is probably from the Afnan 9 PM, right? It's perfect for parties, clubs. And again, I'm telling you, like people who said, because this lasts hour long, I have used it myself, this lasts hour long.
This is the second one.
This is everyone's favorite. This is 100% Jean Paul.
100%.
100%, yeah. This is everyone's favorite. Breaker for the Jean Paul brand.
Okay.
This is their most selling perfume. This is good.
Yeah.
This is for parties, wedding. You can wear this anywhere. Like it's a path breaker for them. It's been used worldwide. It's a great perfume. I like if you have seen the body, like the cover, everything is superb and the perfume is really long lasting. This one is really good.
A or B?
I'll go with A.
You go with A?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm here with.
Riya, I'm wearing Sol de Janeiro. I'm a senior designer at Puma India.
Smell the first one for us.
It's a little fresh, a very daytime scent. It's quite nice,
It's quite nice.
quite refreshing. I haven't smelled something like this before.
The second one.
This is a little woody, musky, more a night fragrance.
For night time. Out of the two, you
Yeah.
have to pick one, A or B.
A.
A for a man. I'm here with.
Yuvraj.
Aditi.
I have two fragrances. Just smell the first one.
Strong, something strong.
Strong. What occasion do you think is perfect for?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day I would wear it.
Smells very like aftershave lotion. Like not for women, I think.
What occasion do you think is perfect for?
Every day, every day.
This is something very manly, woody type.
Yes, it's very musky and very strong. I think it's perfect for day out and also for a date.
For occasions, I would go for B, and
Okay.
for every day, I would
If
prefer.
you have to pick one, A or B.
I would prefer B.
For him, I would prefer B.
For him, you would.
Yeah.
I'm here with.
Shreya.
Page. Wearing Nemo Paris, there's this perfume called Madurai.
I have two fragrances. Here's the first one. Just smell it.
I think it's very fruity.
Tones of vanilla, undertone of some citrus, slight musk.
I think it's great for a date night.
Yeah,
It's going
slightly,
on one, so-
slightly evening, towards the evening. Yeah, more like a sundowner sort of thing, but not night, but like a sundowner sort of.
Yeah, I think it's great for like evening sort of dates.
This is the second one. And give me the first one.
Slightly more stronger. I think it's great for like a long night. I think it'll stay.
Very diluted now, I think. My nose is like blocked. Yeah, it's a diluted version of that, or what? Acha, okay. Slight aqua tones.
A or B?
I think A.
A.
A for both of you.
Yeah.
I'm here with.
Riddhi.
Saransh.
I'm wearing Givenchy.
I'm wearing Chanel the Blue.
Just smell this fragrance for us.
Okay.
First one, and let's know how.
Very good. Smells really nice.
Yeah, it's a nice smell. It's a nice smell. I think good for like night time for sure. Like you want to go out. Yeah, it's nice. It's fruity. I guess I kind of like it. I would definitely wear it.
I think when you're going out for a dinner
Yeah,
or
like for a date night
Yeah.
for sure. Yeah, you want to wear something like this. Yeah.
Just smell the second one.
Yeah, please.
I like that one better.
Kind of have a feeling these are the same. I think they're very similar. Yes.
Do you think they're similar?
No.
You don't
I
think?
still want to go that this is quite similar to the one that I just smelled. So I would still say that nighttime.
A or B?
A.
What about
I think I'll go A. Yeah.
A? What perfume are you wearing?
Marc Jacobs, Daisy.
I'm wearing Calvin Klein Eternity.
Wearing Issey Miyake Intense.
Just smell this first strip for me.
Okay. It's a little musky, woody, very strong for my liking. I think like a nice date night.
Very good for a nice date. Very strong. A little spicy.
I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect for a night out, for a date night. It has a good, like a manly floral, like spicy, a very good note. I think I would definitely get something like this.
Smell the B one.
This one is a little spicy but strong. Not for a date night, but like for a party or concert wherein you want your perfume to, last longer. I think that's the perfect one for
good
that
party
occasion.
I think for me, this can also be everyday use. You know that those people who walk and then you can smell them. Like
Yeah.
I've most of the time noticed when men are in the lift and then they leave, the smell lingers on for a while. So this is again pretty strong, but also very long lasting and perfect for everyday also, according to
I
me.
feel like for me, this is an everyday fragrance because I usually wear strong fragrances. I'm a lot into perfumes. So I think this is a very good everyday wear. It has a very lingering effect.
Now you have to choose one. A or B?
Can I?
Yeah, you can smell
Yeah.
now.
I know my answer.
What's your answer?
B.
You are going
Yeah,
with B.
B.
I'll choose B.
Because A is, I think I've seen these notes somewhere, but B is something, a very good everyday fragrance for me. So B is like stands out for me.
Yes.
A or B?
B. I love B.
I think I'll go with A.
You go with
Yeah.
A. Okay, why do you like A so much?
I mean, it's more of my type. Like, it's a little on the softer side and not very strong as
For a
compared to
man.
the B. Yeah, I like
For
it.
a man, A.
Yeah.
Sharper than the sword up, practice in my aim, I'm a cowboy samurai, it's a battle every day, I'm a pull low, feel my keep on the way, the mojo from my door.